Okay, friends. So our topic is
Acids and bases.
So objective of our topic is how to indicate, how to identify the acids and bases. What is acid? What is base? And what is the uses of acids and bases in our daily life? These things are we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, how to identify the acids and bases. So to identify the acids and bases, we have the litmus paper. What are they? Red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. And also phenolphthalein solution and methyl orange. And also we have some natural indicator. So we are using a natural indicator, that is turmeric powder. Because we have no litmus paper. So friends, with this turmeric powder, we are going to identify which is acid, which is base. Okay friends, before going to this, once come here. Okay. Okay, Mr. Rohit, once taste this lemon. Taste it. What did you feel? Which taste it is?
Sour.
Yes, very good. Go. Okay, thank you. So friends, which taste it is?
Sour.
Yes, it is in sour taste. A substance which is in sour taste, it is considered as acids. So this lemon is acid or base?
Acid.
If you feel in bitter taste. But friends, we cannot consider everything as which by tasting it is acid or base. So we have some indicators. They are litmus paper or litmus papers and turmeric powder. It is a natural indicator, and phenolphthalein solution, methyl orange. So friends, let us consider which is acid and which is base by using turmeric powder. So see here, what is this?
Soda.
Yes, this is a soda. So I will mix this soda in turmeric powder. So what happens? Once see. Okay, what happens, friends?
Sir, it is turned into red.
Yes, it is changes as red
Red.
color. So friends, once see here. So what is this?
Sir, lemon.
Yes, it is a lemon. So once see here. What did you observe here? Yes, here no color changes. No color changes occurred. So friends, by this testing, we conclude that the substance which is in acid, the turmeric powder gives colorless to the acids, and the turmeric powder gives red color to the base. So once come here, Mr. Ashok. So see here, what is this?
Bleaching powder.
Yes, it is a bleaching powder. So what is this?
Soap.
Yes, it
Soap
is a
water.
soap solution. Very good. So what happened? Which color it is changed? Yes, it is changing into red
Lightly.
color.
Lightly.
Yes, it is lightly changed into red color. So it is base or acid?
Base.
Yes, very good. Soap is also base. So friends, what is this? It is a tomato. So have you observed any color changing? No. So it is acid or base?
Acid.
Yes, acid. So by this experiment, by this testing, we conclude that the turmeric powder gives red color to the basic solutions, and the turmeric powder gives colorless to the acid solution. So friends, we know that how to identify the acid and bases with natural indicator with turmeric powder. So while we are learning this, what is the use of acids and bases? What is use of acids and bases? So what is this? It is a soap. What is the use of soap? So we are bathing. Soap contains sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. So it is useful for bathing. And also we are using bleaching powder. Bleaching powder contains what?
Base.
Yes, it is a basic solution. It contains the chloride. It contains times. So friends, what is this? It is a lemon. We are using which acid present in lemon? Lemon presents citric acid. What?
How does it know citric acid?
By testing. By testing process, every substance has different acid, different bases. So, this lemon contains the citric acid. It is useful for lemon juice and also useful for making pulihoras. And also friends, so what will you do if ink is fall on your cloth? You have to use the
Tomato.
ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is present in tomato. So by using this ascorbic acid, you can remove your ink on your cloth or on your body. So friends, we have lot of uses of acids and bases. So keep learning. Thank you for you all. Thank you. Okay. What is your doubt? So friends, let us summarize what we have learned. So turmeric powder gives red color to the base and colorless to the acid. So thank you.